Amen.
Have a long life, my dear.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen. Amen.
God bless you.
Amen.
Have many money.
Amen.
Have
Amen.
even disease you cannot see it again.
Amen. Amen.
Thanks.
I have another gift for you.
Subscribe. Subscribe, guys.
Thank you.
She's a nice girl.
I have another gift for you. Alafu sari kuache uongee. Another gift. Close your eyes still.
My God.
Close your eyes. Recently, as we were talking about a few weeks ago, kuna kitu liniambia. I have a small gift for you. Open your eyes. Go pay school fees.
Jesus!
Pay school fees. It's for you. It's not a lot. But go pay school fees, and I love you, aunt, so much.
Me too. I love you, Grace.
I love you too, aunt. And thank you for coming to my house and taking care of my home and yours.
I have blessings in this house.
Go pay school fees for your child already shule.
Asante. Mungu wa milele, Mungu wa mbinguni. Watoto wangu hawakuwa na food. For now, wanaenda kukura, even today, even a 2 weeks, even a month. Guys, subscribe. I swear, subscribe.
But I appreciate you so much, Anne. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Roho yako ni safi, mama. Hata kama nimetembea, your heart so nice. Your heart is like a milk. Your heart is like a honey. Your heart it's like a gold. And that's why I save you my contact. You are gold for me.
Get them and save gold.
Hata watoto wangu Angel and Vicky, they told me, "Mom, naenda kwa Auntie Gold." Nawaambia, yes, I'm going there because you are gold.
Thank you so much. If by any chance you uko na kazi uko nje, you're looking for someone who you can employ, I only work with Aunt part-time, I think twice in a week, so we can know how we can work. So guys, if you have job, ningetaka kumpea kazi, hapo kwa comment section mniandikie number, we are going to reach out together, alafu we see how we can tusaidiana. Pia anybody else mwenye hauna kazi, hapo comment section you can go check whoever is going to comment